Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This is a knife auction that I won. And I'm going to get some pretty cool stuff out of here. Now this particular lot I ended up paying $230 shipped to the house. So let's take a look here. So we just got a China fixed blade here that is broken. This isn't worth very much. It looks cool though, huh? Doesn't that look cool? Looks cool. Ain't worth much. Not why I bought the lot. This is why I bought the lot. Now I know some of the stuff I'm getting out of here. Some of it I don't. Like this, I knew I was getting this. Japan, Parker, Custom Series, boot knife, not bad. Okay, now this, I knew I was getting this. Puma Sport Tech, Germany. Got a little number here, 46092. Could use a good cleaning. Good snap, no wobble. I'll show you this one a little closer up here. Parker Custom Series. Japan boot knife. Could definitely use a good polishing. This one, I knew I was getting this one. Designed by Wayne Goddard. Spyderco. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it may be mica. I'm just not quite sure. Now all I got to see in the picture was this, just laying on there like that. So, but I figured it was probably a Spyderco. The Puma, the same. Now some of these you could see like Buck. You could see Buck on there. Buck 703 USA. Good snap, no wobble. Nice little knife. Okay, now what is this? Cricket. I call it Cricket. CRKT. Guess you gotta push that button in to open it. You gotta push this in. Michael Walker. Now this one I'm just not familiar with at all. Gotta push it in to close it too. Kind of cool. Never seen one like that. And let's see what this is. Leithers 7165. Cool looking knife. Not bad. Good snap. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Got an old timer, 3-blade, Schrade. I can't quite tell, is that Schrade NY USA? Have to look into this one a little bit. Appears to be in decent shape. Got another old timer here. Schrade USA. What is that? 840T. I think. Good snap on everything. Got a K-bar here. I saw this one. K-bar. Is that 11041 or 1041? Something USA. Needs a good cleaning. And we got 3 more. What is this? Oh boy. I can't remember what they call this. The I brand. I got one like this before. Man, I like this one. I love the handle. If it's bone or antler, I'm just not quite sure. Rustless 20SSDS. That's a cool one. Never seen one say rustless. And we got something here. Got another one. No, that's a Case XX. Stainless. Can't quite make that. Oh, USA. It says something under it. It might say SP. It's real hard to see. You can see a tad bit there. Uh, 52031 SSP. SS. Ooh, somebody's used this on something sticky. And one more. What is this? This one I was very curious about. What in the world is this? Bear Hunter. LB-4, I think. Soligen. Stainless. Something. Okay, so that's everything we got. And I do think we did good here. I believe these two here, I should be able to get my money back. And then have all these knives here. But let me look into it a little bit more now that I know what I got here, and we'll find out shortly. Okay, after doing a little research, this is what I came up with. So, the Spyderco, I found, I don't know, about 4 or 5 of them on eBay. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, but one guy had it listed as resin, and then all the others said micarta, or something like that, M-I-C-A-R-T-A handle. And this is in pretty good shape. I mean, it needs a good cleaning. But other than that, it's not too bad. And the cheapest one on there is starting in an auction at $100, or buy it now for $150. So I'm going to see how that plays out, but I might just put $150 on there and let it set. You know, give it some time. If it doesn't sell, drop the price. But next, we have the Parker boot knife custom series. There's 2 of them on eBay. One of them is exactly like this. Their prices are $250 and $300. So I was thinking I could put $150 to $200 on here. Maybe I'll put $200 and just let it set also. And if it doesn't sell after some time, I'll drop the price down. Then we got the Puma. And I think if I were to get, you know, $40, that might, you know, some of them on there about $40, $50, 40 and up pretty much. So I figured I'd put 40 on there. The Cricut or CRKT lockback. I was very surprised. I thought this would be worth a little bit more, but I'm going to put $50 on that. The buck knife, these got quite a bit of range, but the cheapest ones are around 30 and up. And if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but this is from 1972 to 1986. But it's in very good shape. So I figured I'd put 30 to 50. Maybe I'll just put 40 on it. This one here, now you won't find very many of these, but there is a brand new one on there. Brand new with the original box. It's got a little sticker here, made in France. And it was, I think, 125 or best offer. So I thought maybe I could put 75 on it. Let it set. 75 to 100, something like that. Now, these are not worth very much. They're both in nice condition, nice shape. I mean, rusty a little bit and all, but work great. I figured I'd do $20 for both of them. K-Bar, I thought it would have been worth some more, but I'm going to put $20 on that. This Bear Hunter I thought would be worth more, but I'm going to put $15 on it, or I'll just put it in a knife lot and sell a lot of stuff, which I might end up doing with that as well. Okay, and then we got this case, and I didn't realize this at first, but it is missing a badge or logo right here. These 2 pins. Now I saw another one on there that's missing their logo also, but they don't have the pins in theirs. It's like theirs was glued on or something. There's no pinholes for it. This one was pinned on this knife. And if I'm not mistaken, it's a 1978 Case XX52032 SSP, and their missing logo one, they were asking $130. I figured I'd just put $100 on it, let it set. And then, in my opinion, the best of all is the iBrand here. Definitely needs a good cleaning. Trapper. So I'm going to clean it up. And I'm going to ask $275 for this, or best offer. So I got a feeling this one knife here is going to pay for everything. So I feel like I did pretty good on this, paying $230 shipped to the house. That turned out to be a good lot if you ask me. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more, I love doing this. It's a lot of fun going through, and I also do some restore videos where I clean knives up, and I'll show you a few of them here. The 3 that I've done so far, and they've all got the same handle material here. I bought some dyed blue giraffe bone, and I took my knives that had rough handles on them. So this one is a Canastota. It had broken handles on it, and the blade was actually broken, so I straightened that out and cleaned it all up. Put these dyed blue giraffe bone handles on. This one here is an AC pen, had broken handles. This was actually the first one I'd ever done. Cleaned it up and made some new handles for it. And then this case is the last one I've done so far that I've actually torn all the way apart and replaced handles on. But if you want to see the videos of restoring these, check out my other videos. Oiled them up so they don't rust anymore, but this one's still got a few little scratches on a couple of the blades. All of them, the blades are not perfect, but they're not rusty anymore. So yep, hit that subscribe button, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and y'all have a great day today.